Hi everyone and welcome back to CodeNodes. We are covering the conditional statements in C++. In our last video we have covered switch statement in C++ and in today's video we are going to cover the ternary operator in C++. The ternary operator, which includes question mark and colon, is a shorthand for the if-else statement in C++ and it takes three operands as we have discussed it in our operators video, and it replaces multiple lines of code with single line if we use it instead of if-else. So this is the general syntax of ternary operator in C++. So like the condition goes first, following the question mark. If the condition is true, then this expression is written, or if the condition is not true, then this expression is written. As you can see, there is only one semicolon we have used here is because that the whole ternary operation is considered as to be a single expression. For example, if the condition is true, then the expression is this. If the condition is not true, then the expression is this. Here you can see an example of the marks. If the marks is less than 50, then the expression should be print fail. If the marks is greater than 50 or this less than 50 is false, then the expression should be print pass. And lastly, we have used this semicolon once in this whole line. Now let me show you by running this example in our dev C++ code editor. For that, let me take marks and write a message for the user to enter marks. Enter marks and seen marks. Now marks is less than 50. Then expression should be cout fail. If the marks is not less than 50, then expression should be pass. And if I save it and if I compile and run this, so if I give it a value of 78 which is greater than 50, then it has printed pass. So when this condition does not meet, it has printed this expression. So let me solve this example with if-else and let's compare both. If marks is less than 50, cout fail, else cout pass. For a clarity, let me write a message over here, cout if-else output endl, and here for ternary output. So if I compile and run this, so we have missed a semicolon over here. So if I save it, compile and run this, and let's give it a value of this M34. So it has printed ternary output as a fail and if-else output also fail. Let's use / over here, and this time we test it with a value which is less than 50. For that, if I give it a value which is 34, it has printed fail both times. Ternary output is also fail and if-else output is also fail. So if we have only two values and if we have to check any condition where there is only two values, then we will use this ternary operation because it is only a single line expression. For if-else, we have to write 3 to 4 lines of code. So this is the example of ternary operator in C++. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe CodeNodes. Thank you for watching.